Hi guys, my name is Dipesh Rana and today's my video is all about how anyone can remove header and footer. So basically students got stuck in while removing the header and footer. I will be this purpose for making this video is for the students for BBA and MBA. Why? Because the students got many issues while they were removing the header and footer. They don't want the header and footer to between for take example like in title pages or like certificates or acknowledgements or declarations, annexures, questionnaires. They don't want their header and footer to be there. So my basic purpose would be how to solve their problems and so that they can learn and grow. And before starting with the video, I want to say that have a backup plan with you, be on safe side so that it will be easy. And let's begin with the video. So guys, I will be explaining you one concept which would be header, because header is similar to footer. If you know how to remove your header, you can easily remove your footer. So let's start. Okay. This is my BBA project report which I have made in previous year in my industrial visit which I have done in my BBA. Okay. So what I will do in my this report is that this report contains all that material that in like acknowledgement, title, then declarations, title page, certificates, annexures, chapters, then bibliography, bibliography. So now what I want to do is that I only want that my chapters includes headers. Rest all I don't want my headers. Okay. So what I will do is now, suppose for example there is no header you can find here all over here. Okay. See, there is no header. So first we have to write down a header. Okay. So we will go on the first page. Okay, then we will go to insert and header. Let's for example take SSR IMR. Okay, let's decorate it to make it attractive. Okay, we wrote header. Now all I want is that I only want my headers to be included in chapters, all chapters. Chapter 1 which includes introduction, chapter 2 includes company profile, chapter 3 includes research methodology, chapter 4 includes data analysis, and chapter 5 includes conclusion. So what I want, I only want my headers to be available on my chapters. Okay, which will show only on my chapters, my headers. Okay, I only want my headers to be on my all my chapters. So what I will do, I have, as I written a header all over here. Okay, you can see. Now I will go to this introduction part, just previous one page of introduction. I will click all over here. Okay, then I will go to layout, breaks, section page which includes next page. Now you see still is there. So now what we have to do, it is very important now. Click all over here, link to previous one. Okay, as we done it, now go upside, clear from here, close. You can see list of figures, there is no headers. List of tables, no headers. See, there is no headers. Declarations, acknowledgement, there is no header. Okay, so if we will see in chapters, there is header. Okay, as we talked previously, we need headers in our chapters. The same way you can see all in chapters. Now let's go to the bottom part which have our annexures and questionnaires. This is my survey part which I have done in my BBA. So now as we came on chapter 5, now then we go again bottom. You can see bibliography, there is a header. So again, what we have to do, if we don't want that bibliography should contain headers. So against this previous page, we will click again this on last line. Again we will go to layout, then breaks, then section break which contains next page. As we clicked, okay. Now what we have to do, we have to again double click all over here, link to previous one, okay, which will the last we have did is previous one, so it will link to that. Just click on all over here, then now just remove it, okay, then close. See, our annexures and our questionnaire doesn't contain our headers. See, bibliography doesn't contain headers. It's only included in our chapters, as we want in our chapters to be fine to have our headers. So this was all about. So guys, if information was helpful, just like my video, subscribe my channel, and till then I will meet you in my next video. Have fun.